EB-1A myth busting. Do you need executive level experience to win? No, you don't. A lot of people get an EB-1A well into their career when they have reached a high level in the corporate hierarchy, but a lot of people do it a lot sooner. So there have been many people over the years who've even jumped from, let's say, STEM OPT when they're still in F1 status and they're still just in the first couple of years out of graduate school or college. Um, but there are a lot of people that just do this later on when they're tired of waiting for the H-1B and they're already in their 40s and they may well have um, climbed up high in the executive hierarchy of their organization. I think a lot of people overestimate how important it is where they stand in their organization's hierarchy. That's the kind of thing that USCIS tends to not understand and not really care about. So I hear all the time, oh, it was really, one of my proudest accomplishments is that I was promoted on the first cycle, and usually people don't get promoted till the third cycle. Like, this sort of information is hard to digest, and outside of your really specific professional niche, normal people don't really understand. So, I'm a lawyer. I could say, wow, if I heard somebody made partner at a big firm in 5 years out of law school, I would know that's extremely, extremely rare and impressive. Most people wouldn't know that. And just because someone has the title partner or doesn't have the title partner doesn't mean anything in the larger world. This also extrapolates to who you use as your recommenders. A lot of people think, oh, I should get the most senior level person I can to be my recommender to write that testimonial for my petition because USCIS will be so impressed. They won't be. They don't get it. It would be better if you have somebody who's actually more willing, even if they're more junior. The person who knows you better and likes you more is often going to be the person who's going to give you a more helpful recommendation, even if they're a step or two or three down the hierarchy. Some of you obviously work for gigantic companies where there is a really huge headcount and not very many people have the title of CEO or even close. Um, you don't have to have the title of CEO. Conversely, even if you do have the title of CEO, it isn't a guarantee that your case will work. Your status within your employer's hierarchy is not a basis to conclude that you will or won't be able to win your EB-1A petition. But it's definitely something that we can discuss further, and I encourage you to sign up for my email course to learn more about how to prove that you have had a leading or critical role at an organization with a distinguished reputation, which is the criteria we're talking about here. Thanks.